If you know how to use them, images can help you make money. For instance, one image can cost you $150, and you don't need any expensive equipment or camera gear to do it. If you want to learn how to do it quickly and easily, keep watching as I share with you a free tool and website that can help you make hundreds, if not thousands, of dollars online. What I'm about to share with you is a platform where you can receive photographs for free and earn money from them. Without further ado, I'll be sharing with you the very first website where you can work in as little as 5 minutes. Keep watching to learn how to accomplish it, and don't miss anything. Your first step should be to open your browser and type spark.adobe.com. It is a free tool with a variety of templates that instruct you to click and drag your way to producing high-quality design concepts. To discover more about the numerous types of designs that you can make using this tool, all you have to do is visit spark.adobe.com. In order to create a distinctive and high-quality design, you can also take a picture and use design effects or animation to turn it into a social media graphic. You don't need to worry because it can be done with the use of your mobile phone, whether it is an iOS or Android device, to register a free account. They also have other capabilities like generating movies, but I'll be focused on photographs. Once you've picked which account you'd want to create, head to Adobe Spark and click on Get Started immediately. You can then sign up using your email address, Adobe ID, Facebook login, or Apple account login, and you'll be immediately forwarded to a brand new account. With the websites I'll share with you, you can eventually make hundreds or even thousands of dollars by making Instagram stories, Instagram posts, Facebook posts, and photo collages, presentations in print, slideshows, branded pictures, flyers, and book covers. When you sign up for a new Adobe Spark account, you'll have access to a variety of graphic designs that are already finished for you. All you need to do is change the wording to make it your own. If I want to use the flyer design template, for instance, I'll just click on it to show how easy it is to use even if you have no prior experience with graphic design. Then all I have to do is wait for them to move my design so that I can fully customize or modify my template. Simply double-click on the text and type in whatever you want, for instance, and then click Done. This image will now change on the right-hand side. You can also change the colors. Because 99% of the work has already been done for you, all you have to do to utilize it is modify the text and save it to your computer. You may use those templates to build a variety of various designs when you've finished fiddling with them. Once you're done fiddling with them, you can download and save them to your computer. I modified the backdrop photo by replacing or removing the background or adding more filters to my background. It really is that easy, and you can repeat it as much as you like. Before we delve further, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you love the video thus far. If you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. If you wish to remove the watermark as well, simply take a snapshot of the image using any screenshot program you have on your computer, such as the snipping tool, and delete the bottom watermark. So let me show you a few places where you can get paid hundreds of dollars for your Adobe Spark projects. The first is designcrowd.com, where you can get paid for all the different logo designs, business cards, web design, and graphic design that you can easily generate. If I go to the graphic designers category and select graphic designers, I will see people from all over the world making money. If we take logo designers as an example, we can see that the logo designers on designcrowd.com make a lot of money. You can click that to discover a variety of open jobs where you can submit your design and get paid to start utilizing designcrowd.com if you want to concentrate on flyer design. Visit the website and select the Join Free option. Type your email address in. Once you've joined up and logged into your new account, you can start browsing all of these various tasks. Create a password and then click on Let's Go. The main concern is how you obtain your money from the website. Well, once you've found one that fits you, you can just click on it to submit your design and wait to see if you've earned a profit. Once you've begun earning money, go to your profile, click on Profile Settings, then Payouts on the left side, select your payment option, and then enter your payment information. That's how you can collect your profits, and that's it. If you're interested in more videos with similar content, check out my other ones. And if you like them, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell. If you have any other questions, feel free to contact me.